Do you love to eat good food but still want to achieve your body goals? It's hard to choose between abs and pizza, isn't it? Introducing Flavor Fuel, a data-driven health and wellness startup company. Our primary focus is to help you achieve your body goals through providing portion-controlled delicious foods to health and wellness-conscious savvy customers in the greater Washington, D.C. metro area. Order delicious fresh food now. Simply follow these steps to get your order ready. Fill out a brief survey providing your height, weight, age, gender, activity level, fitness goals, and typical workouts. Based on the information provided, we calculate your weekly caloric intake to help you achieve your body goals, providing you with a recommended meal plan option. After selecting your preferred meal plan, we then track the number of calories you should consume for the week as you select your favorite meals. Finally, customers give their payment information and delivery address, then place their order. We will deliver your meal plan directly to your doorstep on a weekly basis. Now you don't have to choose between eating good and looking good. Place your order now. Visit www.fuelyourflavor.com for more information.